Okay, guys, so today we've got the new Beretta Get Home Bag Tomcat 30X. This is the threaded barrel version. As you can see, no plastic case. They come in cheap cardboard now, which is fine, as long as they don't cheap out on the gun, right? All right, so it looks like you get your California lock, and let's see. Two magazines, single stack, 8-round magazines. And no manual. You got to scan your QR code to get your manual. So they've definitely minimized packaging now. The last Beretta I got came with a plastic case, a nice shiny manual, all kinds of stuff. So looks like they've cheaped out on the packaging, which is fine as long as the quality of the gun goes up and the price can come down a little bit or not get so inflated. So this is the new pocket pistol from Beretta, like I was saying earlier, the 30X Tomcat. This one is chambered in 32 ACP. They don't make this in a 9mm. They might make it in 380, but I researched some 32. 32's coming back. I think Walther PPKs are being made again and chambered in 32 as well. So the 32 is going to make recoil a lot less than if it was a 9mm. So it'll feel a little bit more manageable to shoot. Now this gun has some pretty interesting features as far as how it works. So the magazine release is right here, like normal. The older Tomcats had it down here. Right, so we push that. And then it has a thumb safety here. And then it has like a 2-stage trigger with a hammer fire. So you can halfway cock that, and then the first pull is going to be really hard, and it's going to pull, that's going to move the hammer back and then forward, because it's the first trigger is pull is dual stage. Now I don't have any snap caps or anything in here, and I don't know if that's going to mess my trigger up, so I'm not going to do it. But it's a very heavy first trigger pull. Or if you don't like that, or you want extra safety, you can keep the thumb safety up, and that way the slide can't go back. So actually, if I do this, I don't think the slide will go forward, but I don't want to try it. This is just an unboxing. This is the first time I've really checked the pistol out. So the grips, I guess they're walnut. They look really good. Really nice finish on those. There is a lot of oil on it, but after I wipe it away, it doesn't seem like there's any scratches or anything. The quality looks pretty good. Oh, that's very easy to unscrew. It does come with a little O-ring in there, so you can attach a suppressor if you have one of those. This will work with any 9mm suppressor. Now this is how the barrel works. So you can pop the barrel up like this, and it has a spring in there. Drop around and close it. It doesn't like to be pushed down like that. Maybe you have to hold this down. Yeah, that works. And then with this loaded, pull it in, and you never have to rack the slide. Now you can rack the slide. There we go. So you can, and it's probably like a really short trigger now that I've got the hammer cocked all the way back. As you can see, the trigger is now in a different position. And I bet you if I just pull it real light, it'll go bam. So I'm not gonna do that. But you can, you know, load the magazine and rack it, and that'll work too. The only thing is there's no way to keep the slide open like there is on pretty much every other gun I've seen, where it'll have a slide stop, or, you know, slide release or whatever you want to call it, where you can keep the slide open. There is no way to keep the slide open. To do anything with the barrel, to clean it or to load around, you just push that and open it up. So after downloading the manual and reading it, I'm going to show you how to take the slide off, since there is no way to lock it back, but you can take it off. So the first thing you do is take the magazine out, and then make sure the safety is off, so like ready to fire. They want you to cock the hammer all the way back. Then they want you to pull this back actually, you know what? No, you're supposed to pull and you're supposed to do that. You're supposed to open this up and then rotate it like that. Then you're supposed to pull this back a little bit. Whoop, went too far. So that pops out of there. And then you can bring it forward and lift it off. And this is how it came from the factory. Pretty dirty in there. So I'm gonna clean all that out, all that gunk, and then oil it properly. But I just wanted to show that. It is different. I do like how it's completely silent. So if you hold this down and push the button, open it, load around, push it back, let go, no noise. I'm gonna put that hammer back where it was. Yeah, so it is wide. A lot of people I see on forums talk about how chunky it is, but there's like actually very little video or pictures showing that, which is kind of weird. But it is a metal frame. So this is all metal. I don't know if it's aluminum or what. I gotta do some research, but it looks nice. It's very high quality. It has a good weight to it. It's not super heavy or anything, but it doesn't feel cheap. And I like these little grooves right here and the swell here. So even though I have big hands, right, my fingers as long as the whole gun is, it feels very confident in my hand. Like it feels like I have a good grip on it. My thumb goes on this ridge here, the rest of my fingers are under there, and this width fills my palm up. So I'm able to get a good purchase on it. And that thing is not gonna come out. I love that they did a slightly extended mag here, because now my pinky has sort of somewhere to go. I don't see any other, this gun is so new, there's no other mags on the market except for the ones that come with it, which are slightly, you know, extended right here. So maybe in the future they'll make even longer ones, or somebody will, but that kind of defeats the purpose, because this is a gun that's supposed to just go in your pocket. As this is a pocket pistol, it's a super micro 32, it's a micro gun. The sights are a blacked out rear with one white dot on the front. They are suppressor height sights because you can put a suppressor on there. I haven't shot it yet. I need to get some ammo and try that out. Obviously, I'm just unboxing it today. So I have read that you need to aim high with these, and they shoot a little low based upon the height of the sights. So I'll have to try that out. But other than that, this is a quality firearm, and I look forward to trying it out. Thanks for watching.